the market has been exploding, and this is what we have been waiting before we can start putting money back into the market. As you can see over here, Bitcoin has broken all-time high. This is definitely a positive news. Yesterday, I recorded a video, which is that one, suggesting that the market is a little bit suspicious because Bitcoin was going a little bit up, but the altcoins were dumping. Well, all that has gone out now. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I'm going to buy, but definitely it's a positive sign. Since Bitcoin has gone up, we can expect that everything is going to go up now. That's why I won't even wait to see the trend. I'm going to buy a few coins now, and I'm going to do a double strategy. So it's going to be two in one, that I'm going to be buying coins and then using protocols that they don't have tokens. So hopefully I'm going to get free tokens through airdrops. I'm not going to be using decentralized exchanges. And if you're new to the airdrop farming, this is probably one of the most profitable ways to trade with crypto, because you're not only earning the free airdrops, you're gonna also be gaining knowledge on how to use it. A few words on which coins are pumping and which ones are very interesting at this present moment. If you look at Cardano, we are expecting this to be a really explosive upwards trend towards the all-time high. So that is the expectation, that it will go up to maybe around 2.5 or 3 USD and even higher. I'm not, my expectation for the entire bull market for Cardano is that it's not going to go above 5 USD. But this is the starting point that we can expect a very sharp move on the upwards now. Another coin that is very interesting is AVAX. So with AVAX, we also have this, as you can see here, well, it's breaking that all-time high. So if you see that small, you're just waiting for this small movement over here, and then you can expect upwards trend to its all-time high, which was around 114 USD. Yes, 190, 120. So AVAX has a strong potential to go up. Cardano has a very strong potential to go up. Those are the coins that would be pumping in the next few days, few weeks. Having said that, does that mean that you should hold them forever? Probably not. You really need to have fast fingers, because in 2 weeks' time, things will turn bearish again, and then it will pump again. That's just how the cryptocurrency markets are operating, and that's just a natural thing, that you always have a dip and a bull run up. But as you can see here, this was the craziest records from the last bull run, and you can see where we are. This is almost unbelievable how quickly the Bitcoin has gone. I think I sold my Bitcoin around this level here. No, even less. I sold it around 1 USD, so that was around here. No, I sold it somewhere around here. And nobody could have predicted that it's gonna go up this high. But how do we make money now? That is the question. Which one of those should you buy? Again, non-financial advice. I'm gonna tell you which ones I would be buying. Well, I bought ETH. I accumulated ETH during the bear market, so I'm not buying it. I'm not gonna be buying XRP. I know many people love XRP. Nothing against XRP, just it has pumped a lot, and I'm a little bit skeptical when a coin pumps so much. I would be worried. I'm not buying Solana, not now. I might be buying those coins in 2, 3 weeks' time, but not today. Today, if I was buying, I'm not buying Cardano because I have that accumulated as well. But if I was buying today and if I wanted to play it safe, I would be buying Cardano and AVAX. I'm not playing it safe. There's no fun in playing it safe. Crypto for me, it's a gamble. It's like a casino, and you don't go to the casino to play it safe. So what am I doing? Let me show you on SyncSwap. I had some liquidity provided for the scroll airdrop. It's been a long time that I've been waiting to withdraw it and remove it. So I have just withdrawn that. That was just a few seconds ago. Then I swapped the USDT into ETH. And by doing that, I'm farming the SyncSwap airdrop. So by using the SyncSwap for the swaps, I'm using a protocol that does not have a coin, and it's wildly speculated that they're going to airdrop a coin at some point. Having said that, they have been very tricky. We've been waiting for that coin for a long, long, long time, and kind of they have been farming the airdrop hunters. So now what I'm going to do, that is just the one protocol. I'm going to use a second protocol to remove the funds from scroll and to shift them to linear. I'm going to keep a very small amount on scroll and I'm going to move the rest. That small amount is just because I also have ambient that I need to sell. So it's basically just to sell whatever I have left. Now what I'm doing is I'm farming a second airdrop. I can include link in the description below on how to find Auto. Auto has been positioning itself as a go-to place for airdrop hunters because you can deploy contracts, you can check the faucets, you can drop, you can click for rewards. These various things that you can do here. So now the funds are in linear and this counts as a one transaction. So what am I going to do? I'm going to move to linear, change the wallet to linear, and I'm going to make a transaction on the linear chain. What am I going to buy? This is the interesting part. I'm going to buy Foxy. Why Foxy? Because Foxy is the meme coin that is, based on linear. So if you see here, you can click the contract, so you can copy that, and then you can try to buy it on MetaMask itself. Let's see if I can find this on MetaMask, Foxy. And I'm gonna buy for 0.05. So that's gonna be just over 20 USD. As you can see, the amounts that I'm using here and click swap, the amounts that I'm using are equivalent to the amounts that you're gonna burn when you enter a casino. So don't go crazy pumping all your money into crypto. Crypto is a gambling thing, and we're doing a strategy here that we're using SyncSwap to do swap. One swap, we're using MetaMask, which is also a protocol that is speculated that they're going to give an airdrop in the future. And one of the things that you need to do is conduct transactions. So now I have Foxy. Personal opinion about Foxy. What do I think about Foxy? I don't think it's gonna go crazy anytime soon. If it goes up a little bit, that's a profit. If not, I'm gonna sell it. As I said, in the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna sell this coin. I know many people, they like to keep things and hold them forever. That's not what I'm doing. It's not what I would suggest that you do. You're buying a coin that is gonna take me 37 seconds to create. So if I wanted to create a meme coin, I can probably create it in, the last time I did it, it took me exactly 37 seconds. I can do it probably quicker. Are you going to buy a coin that you can develop for 37 seconds and then sell it? There's nothing on it. There's no building. But it's a meme coin. People are going crazy into meme coins. People are buying crazy meme coins for no reason at all, and they're going up. What I'm doing here is I'm doing a transaction on the linear chain. So this is going to be my transaction on the linear chain. Now, moving on, what else am I going to do? How am I going to scratch that itch? Because the cryptocurrencies are going up and you can lose a lot of money by buying coins that are going to dump. So again, my safe bets for this present moment are Cardano and AVAX. Those coins, they haven't pumped a lot. And if I was buying them, I would keep them for a week, 2 weeks maximum, and sell them because I'm expecting that the market is going up now, then it's going to have a correction that's going to be in 2 weeks' time, and then it's going to rally again. You're buying it around here and you need to sell it there, then buy it again over there and sell it again. It's not something that you buy and hold for the whole run because you don't know how the market is going to behave. There's so many things that can turn wrong, and maybe your coin, maybe Cardano, AVAX will just dump, and then you're going to end up holding it for 5, 6 years forever, or you might never recover the money. Anyway, so Foxy is done. What else am I going to buy? I'm going to buy Graph. Why Graph? Graph is the AI narrative. It hasn't really performed really well, and there's a speculation that now it might pump a little bit. I'm not expecting anything crazy. I'm not expecting that it's going to reach that level. Hold on. But there's a secondary incentive here. Where is my graph? Where is the graph on? Graph, graph. Okay. There's a secondary incentive here because this one you can find it on the Solana chain. As you can see here, that is on Solana. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna go to my Phantom wallet. Phantom is the Solana wallet, and I'm gonna buy it on the Solana wallet. So, but instead of swapping with the Solana, first I'm going to use Auto to bridge from Linea into Solana. And I'm going to connect the Phantom wallet, and that is connected. It should be connected now. Is it connected? It should be connected. I want to send Ethereum on Solana. Solana? It wants to send USDT. You can only send USDC from Linea on Solana. Okay, so let's do a swap. And we can do the swap here on Auto, USDC, or we can do it in MetaMask. Both platforms would have expected airdrops. So I'm doing a swap into USDC. I'm swapping 20 USD. You don't have enough ETH in your account to pay for the transaction fees. Why am I transacting on Ethereum? I'm not transacting on Ethereum. Okay. So I need to be on Linea. Rookie mistake. So I'm gonna be burning. I'm gonna be burning 0.055. So that's just over 20 USD. So I'm swapping Ethereum and I'm farming the Auto airdrop. Again, you can do the same, exactly the same transaction on MetaMask, and you're going to be farming MetaMask, but I'm trying to use multiple protocols. I don't want to use one protocol all the time because then you put all your eggs in one basket, and if you don't get the airdrop from one of those, you lose. So Solana. And as you can see now, it's showing. USDC is showing because I had to have a balance. From Linea to Solana, I'm sending it. Insufficient balance. Okay, so you need to leave a little bit. Sending it. This video is gonna get long. This is the difficulty. That's why YouTubers are just telling you what to do, how to do things without demonstrating how to do them, because it takes a little bit. You have to wait. But what's the hurry? It's Monday. There's nothing better to do. There's nothing if you go out. So now I'm shifting funds from Linea to Solana, but I'm also shifting funds from the MetaMask Ethereum virtual machine because Linea is on MetaMask, and I'm shifting the funds to Solana, which is on Phantom. Now there's some notifications here. Notification, what does it want? Send, send, send. Okay, don't really want those things. There's nothing there. Okay, let me refresh this web page and see why it's not sending it. So Linea to Solana. Solana. Phantom. There's nothing to click here, so it must be connected. Maximum. And I'm gonna do 20. Send. So wallet network exception. Okay. 20. That should go through now. USDC approved. You have one pending transaction. Confirm. And it's sending in a few seconds. Well, this might seem like a long to you, but imagine a few years ago, even earlier this year, you couldn't send money from Ethereum virtual machine to the Solana chain. So now the funds are already in Solana in my Phantom wallet. And as you can see here, that number just started rolling. So I got more points. Now, if I go to the Phantom wallet, Phantom, I should have USDC. You see that 20 USDC has moved over there. And now I want to buy, what was I buying? I was buying the graph. So I want to buy the graph on the Solana. So you need to click on, you see, by default, it goes to Ethereum. You need to click that little button there, and you need to click the one that is on Solana. And now I'm going back to the Phantom wallet. I know it seems very difficult, but it's not. It's not at all. Once you start doing it, it's extremely easy. Now I'm swapping those because I want to sell the USDC and I want to buy the graph token, wormhole. How much? Maximum. I don't want to. One is not tradable. Hmm. Why is that coin not tradable? Graph is not tradable. That is interesting. If I was buying that, I can buy it. I can buy Atlas. I don't want to buy Atlas. I want to buy the graph. One of the selected tokens is not tradable. Select a different token. Let me try from Solana. One of those are not. So you cannot buy the graph on. That is extremely annoying. So the graph token is here, but you cannot buy it. Let me check if I copied and pasted the correct address. So that is the one. Copied. No, this one. There's some glitches, I have to say. There's some glitches, and buying things on the centralized exchanges is definitely easier, but you're not going to be qualifying for the airdrops in the future if you don't use. Okay, so it's a problem because I cannot buy that coin. But not to worry, I do have a list of coins that I'm watching, and let me buy some of those. So those are the degen coins that can go up and can go down, can go crazy. Let's see which ones are on Solana. This one is only on Ethereum, so I'm not buying that one. I'm looking for a contract on Solana. Super could be on Solana. It's on Polygon. Oh, good. Super has pumped a little bit, so it's not the time that I'm prepared to buy Super. Export can be by Solana, yes. So export is on Solana. So I'm gonna copy the address. I'm gonna go back to the Phantom wallet and I'm gonna make a transaction on the Phantom wallet once it opens. Okay, let's try that again. This video is probably discouraging you from using decentralized exchanges because there's so many clicking. Actually, if you're doing max, and as you can see, yeah, if you get this button, that means that you can swap it. So review order, enable auto slippage, review order, swap. I'm not gonna for 20 USD, I'm not gonna bother to read all that. So what if the slippage is 33%? Is that gonna affect me? Not a lot. So there we are. So now we have conducted a transaction on the Phantom wallet, which is speculated that they're going to have an airdrop in the future. We have conducted transaction on the MetaMask wallet, which is speculated that they're going to have an airdrop in the future. I have conducted transaction on SyncSwap. So on SyncSwap, just to show you, you can do trades, you can do pulls, launch. But again, they have been farming us for a long time. So anything except trades, probably there are better options. For example, I can record more videos on where to keep liquidity because SyncSwap can give you an airdrop, but they have been farming us for a long time. So, and Auto. And so we have SyncSwap, Auto, MetaMask, and Phantom. So those are four potential airdrops, and we're in the same time buying coins. So we are trading, just that we're doing it differently. And the last thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to click on that button over there. That's a daily checking. I'm going to choose Linea, and I'm going to check in. And this is going to be another transaction. It's going to cost me 5 cents. What is this transaction? This is just a mindless transaction that we have been doing a lot of those in previous cycles when we were hunting for airdrops. So this is basically I'm throwing away 5 cents. I don't really care that much about 5 cents, and it's going to be recorded as a transaction on the MetaMask activity. As you can see here, that is pending. It's showing as a transaction. And since I already had those transactions already on Linea, I think I'm done. The last transaction that I had was in April. And this is something that you should avoid when you're hunting for airdrops because I didn't even realize that I haven't done anything from April till December. That's quite a big gap. Ideally, you'll be doing this kind of transaction once every month. So in 2 weeks' time, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna do the swap in reverse. So I'm gonna sell the coins that I bought. I'm not even gonna wait 2 weeks. And that way you're hunting the airdrop. But the purpose of this video was to say I recorded the video yesterday saying that there's something dodgy happening in the market that has shifted. Bitcoin is pumping, everything is going like crazy. There's definitely no doubt that we're entering the altcoin season. Everything is going to pump now. So if you're looking at coins here, they're all going to pump. Which ones are going to pump the most? That is open for speculation, and I might get it wrong, but I wouldn't be betting on Solana or XRP because they have already pumped. They have pumped a lot. I wouldn't be betting on BNB because first they have pumped a lot, considering that they had a legal case and their CEO was in prison earlier this year, just got released, and they've been banned from the US market. So I wouldn't be touching those. Which ones would I be touching? Well, even Dogecoin is a better option than those because Dogecoin has been promoted by Elon Musk. So just the hype of that might pump it, but also they're doing some really good stuff with radio links for internet connected to their Elon Musk satellites in the sky. So they're building technologies that only they are building. Cardano again, and Avax. Those would be my bets if I'm, but again, I'm rolling the dice, and if I had to put my my number somewhere, I would be putting my numbers over there. If you think that crypto is an investment, you need to rethink your life. Crypto is not an investment. Actually, most of those will dump probably in a few months' time, and they're going to hit all-time lows. Many of them, they won't even come back. So the coins that you're seeing here, some of them will come back in the next bear market. Many of them, they won't. There's going to be completely new names here. So let's end this video. I actually have work to do. I just saw the market and I had to buy something just to scratch that itch. If you don't want to invest money in crypto, then that's completely understandable. I have a video over there that you can go and earn 5 different cryptos using testnets. So that's completely free. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to pay anything. They give you a faucet and you earn free money. If that is something that you're more interested in, then you can definitely do that. But in markets like this, when Bitcoin is 106,000, the most fun in this casino game is to buy some coins, put like 20 USD, 30 USD, 50 USD, and hold your fingers crossed. And if they go up, they go up. If they go down, they go down. Next week, you sell them. Again, what's going to happen? We're here. We're gonna go up now, and then we're gonna have a correction. That's gonna be in around 2 weeks' time, and then we're gonna go to Valhalla, and then we're gonna crash to the bottom. That's how it's gonna happen. If you are not prepared to buy and sell and to constantly use these tools, then maybe go and buy index and speak to a financial advisor about long-term stocks and shares plans. This is like a I would let's not compare it to a casino. Let's compare it to a candy shop. This is a candy shop that you have all these candies, and you want to buy some, you want to sell some. It needs to be fun. If it's not fun, you're missing the point. So crypto is it's you don't go to Vegas to invest money. You go to Vegas for fun, and that's what crypto is. I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel and click the like button. It does help a lot with promoting the channel, and it keeps me motivated to turn the camera and record a new video. Again, many things are changing. Yesterday, I recorded a video saying that altcoins are dumping. Today, I'm recording a video to say altcoins are pumping. This is more like a news thing. Every time something happens, I will record a video just to make sure that people don't miss out. But nothing stays constant. So don't hold me on this. Again, in 2 weeks' time, I can say crypto is dumping. It will change. That's how crypto operates. See you in the next one.